going on, guys? Back with another video today. It has been a few months again. We are still in the pandemic, surprisingly. I hope this video is finding you guys in good health. And it's kind of a shame that we're still going through this 8 months into the year, but I mean, we're still here, we're still breathing, so that's something we can still be blessed for, so we're gonna keep trucking along. In today's video, we are going to be washing the Audi, nothing out of the ordinary. But we're going to be trying a new product, which is the Turtle Wax Seal and Shine, kind of like a sealant coating or whatever. It's going to make the car extremely hydrophobic. It offers UV protection. There's no curing time, so once you apply it on there, you just wipe it off with a clean microfiber towel and you're good to go. It should last for a few months actually. And actually, TheOrganizer have made some very good detailed videos on using this product. It's actually won his, I believe it's 2019 or 2018 detailing product of the year. So I mean, it's pretty good. I've been watching a few videos of him using this product, and it looked like it's been doing the job. He put it against, I think, 4 or 5 different chemicals just to see how well it lasted or whatever, and it beat all of them. Still was beating at the end of all of the tests. Granted that your car will never see any of those chemicals all at once, all in one sitting. So I think it's gonna last quite a few months. This is their 2020 formula. Nothing was wrong with their old formula, but they just took a lot of the, I guess, advice that customers were giving Turtle Wax and, you know, kind of to improve on, and they implemented it into this formula. So we're gonna try it out today. Like I said, I'll leave TheOrganizer's videos in the description below so you can get a more detailed breakdown of this product, and he puts it through the ringer. So if you guys want to see that side of the product, definitely go check him out. But yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so I'm gonna do the before shot of the Seal and Shine with the water, and then I'll do an after shot after the car is clean, everything like that, and then show you guys how hydrophobic this stuff actually is. Alright. Alright, so no beating at all. There's some right there, but it's not much. So yeah, that was the before. Alright guys, the car is clean, so now we can start applying the Seal and Shine from Turtle Wax and see how it does. I'm just going to apply it to the hood just for the sake of the video, not being entirely too long. So yeah, first you want to make sure the car is clean, and then you want to have your microfiber, either applicator pad or just a towel, and then a clean microfiber towel to wipe off the excess wax. And then you want to apply 1 to 2 max 1 to 2 sprays per panel. You don't want to overspray it. You don't want to use too much applying it to your car. So 1 to 2 max sprays per panel. So meaning like 1 to 2 sprays right here. And then you want to do like a hash pattern. So you want to go like this, and then like this, to make sure it is evenly applied. But then yeah, after that, there's no curing time. You should be good to go, last for a few months. So yeah, let's see how well it works. Oh, still smells so good. Okay. Let's see what it looks like with half of it done. Hopefully it shows up on camera. Ooh! Look at the difference between that. That is crazy. It's pretty hydrophobic now, I'm just gonna say that. As you can see by the beads right there. And that's just a quick application. One coat, that's all you need for the whole car. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna finish out the hood and then I'm gonna show that again. And then do an after shot of the whole hood. Okay, I put it all on the hood. Well, I put it all on this portion of the hood. So I'm gonna do the last after shot. And then that's gonna be the end of this video, guys. Hopefully you liked it. I really want to show strong support to all the subscribers that's recently come join the channel. Thank you guys. Yeah, if you like the video, share it, comment, subscribe. Peace out, guys.